guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, today's video is going to be all about food, which is great. So I thought I would take you along with me and show you guys what I eat today. I thought it would be a fun idea because I feel like a lot of us obviously are eating right now, no shit. But I just thought it would be fun to show you guys the meals I cook because it might give you guys some new ideas. I don't know, I'm really passionate about food right now. I love cooking and I've been doing a lot of it since we're obviously not really going out to eat right now. So yeah, this is not a routine because listen, it changes every day. I don't eat the same things every day, let's be real. So yeah, this isn't like a healthy meal idea recommendation video by any means. I'm just showing you guys what I ate today. So do with it as you will. I already had my coffee. It's pretty boring. I don't make that TikTok coffee every day. I do it sometimes, but mainly I just drink coffee with creamer, simple, done. So I did that this morning already to get me going, but now it's time for breakfast and for, or food. I enjoy breakfast quite a lot. Breakfast foods are one of my favorites. I know some people don't enjoy breakfast. My mom is one of those people, but I really like it. I'm a savory breakfast person, not a sweet. What about you guys? I know some people really enjoy like pancakes and waffles in the morning. I do, but if I'm like choosing, which normally I would be, oh my God, I would choose savory, kind of like spicy, savory foods for breakfast. But sometimes if I'm trying to be healthy, I will just like have some oatmeal and be good. But I tend to like eggs for breakfast. So that's what we're gonna make today. Okay, we have the English muffin in the toaster, egg cooking. For me, I like my eggs over medium. I like the yolk a little runny, but not crazy, like over easy. So that's usually kind of what I shoot for. I got scared. Avocados are a hot commodity right now. So I have guacamole, which I just spilled. So I'm gonna put that on the base of the English muffin. Easy, simple. I am so excited to eat this. It's only been a little bit since I made that egg sandwich. I meant to make this with the egg sandwich, but then I got way too excited and I just wanted to eat that. So I'm going to make just like a quick, easy smoothie, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make them. Okay, lunchtime. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple and really easy. Lunch is kind of the time of the day where I just get super lazy and I don't really do a lot for lunch. Sometimes I'll make a sandwich. I love a good like BLT or like a deli style sandwich. So we'll either do something like that or we will do a salad because salads are just really great. They're healthy, good for you. I really like these salad kits. It's not like no cooking involved. It's already like prepped for you. I actually haven't tried the sweet kale one. I think we had before this like avocado mixed green one, and it was really good. This one has broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and a poppy seed dressing. I think I'm gonna add some goat cheese to mine because I just really like goat cheese. I'm the type of person that likes a lot of things in my salad. I just think it makes them more enjoyable to eat. I call them event salads. So like lots of different like berries or nuts, or like just a lot of stuff in them. Like when I go to Sweet Green, I just like put everything in one salad. I just think they taste better. Got my salad, grapes, and white cheddar popcorn because yum. So I'm gonna go eat that. Yep, I like this one. So I will see you guys at dinner. All right, it's dinner time. I am just going to make a simple, easy pasta dish. I found this recipe a couple years ago. It's delicious, it's super easy to make, it's very fresh tasting, and I really like it a lot, and so does Patrick. So it's very simple. I'm gonna take you along with me as I make it. The base of it, or I guess the biggest flavors, are the prosciutto and the tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes. I have these heirloom tomatoes, I believe they're called, and that's how you're gonna make the sauce. But you guys will see, super easy. Also for pasta noodles, I have bucatini. You can use any pasta you want. That is what I'm gonna make, and I'm very excited. So let's make it. Okay, so prosciutto is done. You want it really crispy because it's like kind of an end, like a finisher thing on a pasta, and having crunch in pasta, I love that. So that's what I did. It's on a paper towel lined plate. So that can chill. It doesn't need to be like hot when you put it on or anything. So next, the water is boiling. So I just brought a salted pot of water to a boil. I'm gonna add the noodles. This always gets me. I'm pretty good at measuring out like bow ties or like penne pasta for two people, but something about like the spaghetti shape of a noodle, I have no clue. So I'm just gonna eyeball this. All of the sauce ingredients are chopped up, good to go. You could add the cherry tomatoes whole if you wanted to, but I like how it's a little bit easier to break down the tomatoes into more of like a sauce when they're already chopped up. So you're going to reheat your pan that you used for the prosciutto because it has a lot of, you know, good stuff in that pan that we're gonna use for the sauce. We're gonna add the onion, garlic, and tomatoes, and we're gonna cook those down. So after I added the crushed red pepper and the white wine, you basically just let that simmer. It's gonna reduce, it's gonna turn into like a nice sauce. It's already getting there. And then we're gonna add the cheese and then the noodles. And I don't know if I mentioned this, I don't think I did, but I strained the pasta and I saved about a half a cup of the pasta water. It's really good if you are making your homemade sauce or whatever, because you can add that to the noodles. It prevents them from getting super sticky. and it helps the sauce cling to the noodles. Thanks, Kara. Okay, so I just finished plating it. We're gonna eat this now because I'm salivating. I'm very hungry. So I hope you guys thought it looked good. I mean, I'm eating it regardless. I have a glass of wine and yeah, we're gonna watch an episode of Outlander. Still going strong on that. Great show. So I forgot to end the video last night. I finished eating the pasta, watched more episodes of Outlander, and passed out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to make more like this, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!